Hi Garrett. I'm going to teach you something fun but simple today. We're going to learn how to make a screwdriver with some simple ingredients. In order for you to learn this successfully, you must be ready to learn with your listening ears on and your eyes on me. If you listen successfully throughout the lesson, you will be able to make one on your own and enjoy a refreshing glass at the end of the lesson. During this lesson, you will need to have your listening ears open and your eyes on me. What will you need during this lesson?
For my listening ears to be open and my eyes on you.
That's right. So how should your ears be?
They need to be listening.
Exactly. And what are you going to be looking at during the lesson?
Looking at you during the lesson.
Exactly. Now last week, we learned about different types of liquor. Can you remind me as to what kind of alcohol is absolute?
Absolute is vodka.
That's right. It is absolute vodka. That's great that you remember that because today we are going to be using this kind of liquor to make a screwdriver. In order to make the perfect screwdriver, there are some things that we will need. You will need absolute vodka, orange juice, ice, a glass, and a shot glass as a measuring tool. Again, things that you will need to make a screwdriver are absolute vodka, orange juice, ice in a glass, and a shot glass as a measuring tool. We will use the shot glass as to measure our liquid. A shot glass is about 1.5 ounces. Now repeat back to me the things that we will need to make a screwdriver.
We will need absolute vodka, orange juice, a glass with ice, and a shot glass as our measuring tool.
Great. Now that we have all the ingredients and tools necessary, I will now explain the steps we have to take in order to pour the perfect screwdriver. Have your listening ears on and your eyes on me. First, you are going to have a glass with ice. Next, pour 1 shot of absolute vodka into the glass. Thirdly, you're going to pour 3 shot glasses of orange juice into the glass. And then you're going to stir all the ingredients together. Again, I will repeat the steps to making a screwdriver, so have your listening ears on. First, you are going to fill a glass with ice. Next, pour 1 shot glass of absolute vodka into the glass. Thirdly, pour 3 shot glasses of orange juice into the glass. Lastly, stir the ingredients all together. Garrett, can you repeat these steps to me?
Yes, the first step is to get a glass with ice. Second is to put 1 shot of absolute vodka into the glass, followed by 3 shots of our orange juice into the glass. And lastly, we need to stir it all together.
Great job. When I have the ice in the glass, do I pour the absolute vodka first? Yes. Yes, I do. How do I know this? It's because you will pour the vodka first, then the orange juice. When I pour the screwdriver, do I pour the orange juice first? No. How do I know this? First, I need to pour the absolute vodka first, and then the orange juice. Now tell me, do I pour the absolute vodka first?
Yes.
Why?
You first pour the absolute vodka into the glass before you pour the orange juice.
Great job. I pour the absolute vodka and then the orange juice. Would I use a spoon to measure the liquid?
Nope.
Great, that's right. I would use a shot glass. Now tell me, do I put the ice after the absolute vodka and orange juice?
Nope, the ice goes first into the glass.
Nice job. You are doing awesome. I think we are ready to make a screwdriver. Keep in mind that first you are going to fill the glass with ice. Next, pour 1 shot glass of absolute vodka into the glass. Thirdly, pour 3 shot glasses of orange juice into the glass. Then lastly, you're going to stir the ingredients all together. Here are all the things we are going to use to make a screwdriver. Here is the glass that we are going to use. Now, watch me make a screwdriver. First, you're going to have a glass with ice. Next, pour 1 shot of Absolute vodka into the glass. Next, you are going to pour 3 shot glasses of orange juice into the same glass. 1, 2, 3. Now my last step is to stir the ingredients all together. Now, let's make one together. Tell me, what do I do first?
First is to get a glass full of ice.
Great job. Let's get that glass filled with ice. I am going to pour the orange juice next.
Nope, first we're going to do the Absolute vodka.
How many shots are you going to fill up the Absolute vodka?
Just 1 shot glass.
Nice job. Let's do it. Nice job. Now what do you pour after the Absolute vodka?
Next we do our 3 shots of orange juice.
Nice listening. Pour the orange juice.
One, 2, and 3.
Now that we've poured our orange juice, now what is our last step?
Our last step is to stir it.
Great job. Stir the ingredients. That looks like the perfect screwdriver. I am very proud of your efforts today. We have 2 perfect screwdrivers. Now, can you repeat to me the steps to making a screwdriver?
Yep, our first step is to get a glass full of ice. Second is to pour 1 shot glass of Absolute vodka. Third thing is to put 3 shot glasses of orange juice. And the last and fourth thing is to stir it all together.
Great job. These are the steps to making the perfect screwdriver. These simple steps will help you make the perfect screwdrivers. I hope you remember these steps to making a screwdriver. First, you have to have a glass filled with ice. Next, you're going to pour that 1 shot of Absolute vodka into the glass. Next, you're going to pour the 3 shot glasses of orange juice into the glass. And then you're going to stir the ingredients all together. You did a great job today. Now let's enjoy these screwdrivers that we made. Now that we have tasted our drinks, I'm going to ask you a question. Do you pour the Absolute vodka before the orange juice?
Yes.
That's right, Garrett. Great job today. Now let's enjoy the rest of our screwdrivers.
Okay.